CES has come and gone, but one of the companies that we actually partnered with for an article was GoSun. They sent us that really cool flatware. You might have seen the video. I'll put a link below. Now, they didn't think that was enough for our video. They wanted to give us a little bit something more to actually show you guys. So they actually sent us the sport oven they have. Now, this item is a little big. But we're gonna bust this thing open for you and show you what's inside. You guys ready? Okay, so we got our instruction manual. This is the tube that you're going to be sticking the actual food in when you're cooking it, if you're limited in that space. And then this is the actual oven. So this bad boy is pretty large, and I'm just thinking to myself, this might not be the best place to showcase what this item is. So I think we might take this outside. Now this is the proper place to try out the GoSun's Sport Oven. I'm really excited about this. Let's delve into the features. Some of the really cool features about the GoSun is that you're able to cook a whole meal without the use of fire, propane, or even just wood in any way, shape, or form, which is really important. So the people behind GoSun think it's important that we just stop burning things, especially when camping. Because you start burning things, that's when you start leading to fire, you increase your carbon footprint. There's just a lot of things that go into camping that can be curtailed. One of which is using the power of the almighty sun to specifically heat up your food. Now this really awesome oven has a couple suggestions or requirements to use it. For instance, you are not allowed to put cold food in the hot tube for clear and obvious reasons, because you don't want to cause a temperature shock that could possibly damage the unit. You also don't want to be touching inside the tube after you're done cooking, because it is going to be incredibly hot. This bad boy can get up to 500 degrees on a bright sunny day. That's insane. On top of that, you have to take into consideration when cooking the sun, it's going to take a little bit longer. Meats will take about 55 minutes on a bright sunny day, and things like vegetables can be steamed in under like 20-ish minutes, which is really impressive considering the fact that you're not burning anything. It's kind of a set it and forget it kind of item. So you want to put your items in it, close it up, and then just let it cook. It cooks using heat and then also steam from the item itself, which allows a little steam gap right here that allows steam to go out of the unit. They suggest if you don't want to steam, you want to cook them a little bit more like kind of crispier, you can always pull the item out slightly, letting the steam escape, and therefore letting it actually kind of crisp up a little bit more, which is really cool. They even suggest one thing, and that was making eggs. Now this thing, what you do is you mix up your eggs in a bowl separately, and then after this thing is kind of starting to heat up, you pull the thing out and you pour the egg in when it's in the tube, and then you close it up, and that's going to allow the eggs to cook. And they cook relatively quick. We're talking about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how much egg you put into the item. Now I know that seems like it's a long time, because you can make yourself like a scrambled egg in like 3 minutes on a range, but considering the fact that you're helping the environment, that is a major bonus. Another really cool feature about this is it is a really easy tube system, so you can take the item out, you can clean it up. They also suggest, which we took advantage of with ours, putting a tinfoil liner in there. Putting that tinfoil in there is going to allow you to not have to clean out that tray, depending on what you're making. Now, the level of things you can make can be, like I said, eggs. You can make hard-boiled eggs. You can make like meats. You can make steamed vegetables. You can make dips. You can make soups. You can make a lot of really awesome things in this item, all with just the ease of setting it and letting the sun do the work for you. Now, there's a couple of suggestions they suggest. They suggest that pro GoSun oven users carry with them a little bit of oil to put on their items for cooking, a little bit of seasonings when they're going out and about, because it is one of those items where you can literally watch it cook and then add those things in to change the flavor profile. But we've talked about the item enough. let's check out the item inside the oven. This chicken looks delicious.
Oh wow, yeah.
Really good.
Well, hope you guys enjoyed that video as much as I enjoyed that chicken. We'll see you guys next time, hopefully with more GoSun products.
Goose. Geese. Fucking. Don't come closer!